Hi there, I just wanted to give a short recording on telling you how to get to the live lecture assignment for the week and where the recordings are for um, for our course so that you can complete the assignments for week one. So I'm just going to click on an introduction to nursing section here. I have several and I'm not sure which one you're in, but Blackboard's a little slow today, so bear with me. If you go to the course home tab right here, and then scroll down to the live lecture. So this is where your live lecture recordings are going to be. Now, after they're completed, if you miss the live lecture, they are typically taking 24 hours to populate. So if you don't see it right away, don't fret, but you can click on this. It's about a 45-minute recording and listen to it. And in there it tells you to put in to put in the week one live lecture box. So this week, your assignment for the live lecture box for the live lecture when you listen to that is to put 2 takeaways from the live lecture that you heard. So after that, you're going to go into Module 1. And then you're going to go into Assignments. You have 2 assignments for the week. The first one is the discussion. This recording focuses on the live classroom. So you can scroll down and click on the live classroom assignment. And on the right side of it, it'll say continue, I think, for you as students. This is the instructor view. I think it's similar. And then you can scroll down, and then this is where you're going to type in your answers for this week. So maybe you liked Florence Nightingale's theory, or maybe you appreciated hearing about compact states. So whatever you took away from the live lecture, just type in this box, and then hit save and submit, and then that'll submit to me for grading. So if you have any other questions on how to submit the live lecture assignment, just let me know. Otherwise, hopefully this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.